Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some cottage farmhouse decor with vintage rustic style. Let's see the video. Cottage farmhouse decor with a vintage rustic style is a warm, welcoming design approach that blends the coziness of a cottage, the charm of farmhouse living, and the time-worn beauty of rustic vintage elements. It feels natural, homely, and timeless, perfect for creating a space that looks collected over time. Here's a detailed breakdown for you. Key elements of cottage farmhouse vintage rustic decor. Natural materials: exposed wood beams, reclaimed burnt wood, and stone fireplaces. Linen, cotton, burlap, and lace textiles. Laced metal, iron, tin, copper, galvanized steel for accents. Color palette: soft muted tones, cream, beige, sage green, dusty blue, warm grey. Weathered wood tones, whitewashed, distressed, or natural. Pops of warm earthy hues, terracotta, mustard, or faded burnt red. Furniture style: distressed farmhouse tables and vintage arches. Slip-covered or linen sofas with cozy cushions. Mismatched chairs for a collected look. Antique dressers repurposed for storage. Decor accents: vintage enamelware, stoneware jugs, and old glass bottles. Iron hooks, lanterns, and rustic candeliers. Quilts, crocheted throws, and lace curtains. Galvanized tubs, wooden crates, and wicker baskets. Flooring and walls: white plank, wooden floors, natural or whitewashed. Shiplap, bedboard, or Roach plaster walls. Stone accents or brick details for rustic authenticity. Patterns and textures: gingham, tacking stripes, or floral cottage prints. Layered rugs, jute with patterned vintage rugs. Cozy knitted or crocheted textiles. Room by room ideas: living room, distressed wooden coffee table, linen sofa, vintage trunk as storage, layered rugs, and an old leather repurposed as a blanket rack. Kitchen: open shelving with vintage crockery, farmhouse sink, butcher block counters, copper pots, mason jars, and hanging iron pans. Bedroom: oats iron or wooden bed, patchwork quilt, vintage side tables, lace curtains, and antique lamps. Dining area: long farmhouse table, mismatched vintage chairs, rustic chandelier, and enamel pictures with wildflowers. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching the video.